This time, let's glue the top with this instant grab adhesive. Will it lift?
When in doubt, do all of it.
Yep. Or then do it right or do it twice. Or just do it twice. Whoa! Let's not look inside. So now, let's see if it grips. Where's the little glue surface?
Yeah, it didn't.
Oh no! So what happened is that we were too slow to set up the truck and everything for the connection. So it already had cured. So what we need now is more glue. Do it right or do it twice. Now we go. Let's see, will it grip? It's going, it's staying. Fresh glue did the trick.
Oh my god! This is pulling me, Taylor.
Oh, really? That was pulling it?
Yeah, fit.
Nice. All right.
Oh, God.
So, just last time, what happened? We did way too long, so the glue had already dried from the top. But now we applied the glue and we did it directly. So here we go. It works. No magic. Do it right or do it twice. When you do the adhesion, do it fast, let it stay, let it dry, because then the adhesion will cure. Lifting it up with the glue is one challenge, but lifting it to the wall is completely another challenge. And that's what we're gonna do next.